Here comes a train. They changed the bell here. Oh, finally! It's a Via train. Here comes Via 22.
Is that what it is?
It's a Siemens charger set.
Oh, he's flying.
Yeah. I love waiting long for a beautiful Via 22. Here comes the train.
I was not expecting that.
So here it comes. I hear it. Here it comes. It's a freight train. CN 120, probably. Whoa!
168.
Ding, 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 ding. It's another Siemens charger set. Yay! That's not Lumi.
It's not Lumi?
Wow. Alright, now the CN should start moving pretty soon.
Good horn job.
Yeah. Sounded louder when he just got there. It was weird, eh?
Yeah.
All right, here comes the CN train. Here it comes.
He cometh. The good train cometh. And he bringeth with him goods and supplies.
Here it is, it's right behind me. I thought the crossing was going. He's coming with a few Givos. Sorry, I'm literally losing my mind because we've been waiting here for 30 minutes, for 3 hours, and we got 3 trains in 20 minutes.
The rest of the time, the nada, zero, zilch, nothing.
It's turning.
Diddly squat. There, that's a good shot.
We got a bell.
Time for the bell to go. Is it gonna go ding ding or ding dong? Or dong ding?
Ding. This one's gonna go
ding.
This one's gonna go dong
Or
dong.
dong,
This one's gonna go ding ding ding.
I think the crossing will go ding ding.
Ooh, nice one. My ears don't work. I'm just kidding, they work. This is really, really loud. It was. Until he started blaring his horn. Unless 401 has Autorack, but I don't think so. But it also has intermodal, so it might be 401. This train is huge. Like the end is like all the way over there. Far. Actually, it's about to get out of the siding. So here's the end. Here comes the end. Are you ready for the end? Oh, that was loud. And there goes CN, possibly 401.